for made in Montana food products? Look no further than Town & Country Foods of Dillon. Dillon, Montana on Thursday afternoon, first responders quickly responded to a serious single vehicle accident on the northbound lane of I-15 near mile marker 59. The incident involved a semi-truck hauling a load of live sheep. The truck, coming out of a corner past the Beaverhead River, lost control and tipped over. During the crash, the cab of the semi separated from the rest of the truck. First responders immediately tended to the driver and then devised a plan to rescue the livestock. Using vehicles and ladders as makeshift chutes, they guided the sheep into a nearby field. Crews then cut away the roof of the trailer to create an opening to safely extract the sheep and rescue any injured animals. In the initial moments, some sheep were uncooperative and fled into the field in a frantic dash, making their rescue more challenging. Local law enforcement, including additional Dillon Sheriff's deputies and Dillon City Police, helped control passing traffic to ensure safety during the effort. Help arrived with livestock panels to better direct the sheep, and the animals were successfully herded into the open field. The driver did sustain injuries, but further details about their condition are not yet available.